Testing DC voltage with a multimeter or multimeter. Question: how does one test the DC voltage? What is DC voltage? Etc. DC voltage stands for direct current, maybe an acronym. AC would be alternating current. So hypothetically, say the battery in your automobile or car may be DC voltage, so you could test the voltage from your battery with DC voltage. But with a multimeter, when it's set to the off position, we see the V DC. Simply rotate it over here. We'll put the backlight on. Now we could take these two probes here. This would be millivolts, so this would be, kind of ignore that for this particular video. But volts DC would get direct current. So do not get these mixed up with AC and DC. So DC, if you put these two leads on your battery, it should give you a voltage reading, whatever your output of your battery is in your car. So just simply set it from off to volts DC, and then after you're finished, be sure to set your meter back to off position so you don't kill your battery in your multimeter. Thank you.